Few activities are as enjoyable as customizing or dressing up your car. The market is saturated with devices and extras to enhance the comfort and fun of your driving. It might be challenging to determine which gadgets are worth your time and money, and which are better left in your shopping basket when so many options are available. In this video, you'll get one of the first glimpses of the coolest car gadget. Keep watching. Number 1. AstroAI Digital Tire Pressure Gauge. It's a good idea to carry the AstroAI Digital Tire Pressure Gauge with you when you're driving. Although it may not be the most thrilling automotive gadget, low tire pressure calls for its use relatively often. This tool can assist you in maintaining the proper tire pressure, which is essential for remaining safe while driving. It has a digital display for simple readings and an illuminated nozzle for visibility in all lighting conditions. The 4 settings and ranges available on this digital tire pressure gauge are PSI, bar, kilograms per centimeter, and kPa. It is effortless to use with an on/off button and an automatic shut-off mechanism that shuts the tool off after 30 to 40 seconds of inactivity. Asking price starts from $10. Number 2. Jegs 90,098 Rooftop Cargo Carrier. Traveling by car and camping are made much easier with the Jegs Rooftop Cargo Carrier. This American-made water-resistant cargo transporter has a rooftop storage capacity of 18 cubic feet. Doing this can bring along additional equipment and avoid having it cram your seating area. You can fit a lot of goods inside this tough cargo bag, which can carry up to 110 pounds. This carrier's aerodynamic shape and the svelte, rigid cover shield your belongings' appeal. One disadvantage is putting this carrier on an existing roof rack, so if you still need to get one, you'll need to buy one separately. All required mounting hardware and keys are included with this unit. It goes for at $299.99. 3. WizGear Universal Magnetic Phone Car Mount. Nowadays, we use our phones for everything, from playing music to navigating, so it makes sense to keep them accessible while driving. WizGear's magnetic phone mount allows you to hold your phone in place securely. It's easy to install in virtually any air vent with a simple but effective clip system. This position means that unlike other phone mounts, the view out of your windshield isn't blocked at all. The support comes with a small metal plate attached to your phone, making for a strong magnetic connection that won't become dislodged, even on tougher road surfaces. The price starts from $10. Number 4. Pure Car Air Purifier. You need the Pure Car Air Purifier if you want the air inside your car to be fresher and cleaner. This practical auto accessory purifies the air you breathe while driving and can smell. It will perform a double job as an air purifier and odor eliminator by removing odors and impurities from the air. This automobile air purifier cleans the air by dispersing up to 5.6 million harmful ion concentrations. It uses multi-needlepoint ionization to swiftly and effectively purify the air inside your car. The advantages of this auto accessory continue beyond there though. Additionally, a money-back guarantee is included to ensure you're happy with the outcomes. The cost of the gear is $29.88. Number 5. Reactionnx Smart Sensor Wireless Car Charger Mount. You'll be awed by the Reactionnx Smart Sensor Wireless Car Charger Mount's quick charging capabilities and futuristic look. It works with several devices by HTC, Samsung, Google, Nokia, and iPhone. It is a wireless charger that rotates 360 degrees and safely holds your phone in an accessible position so you can drive without being distracted. Additionally, it has a rubberized anti-slip base to keep your phone firmly attached to the charger. A second silicone pad provides additional protection. The charger uses advanced infrared auto-sensing technology to recognize your smartphone and charge it quickly and precisely. Although many smartphones are compatible with this charger, double-check your model before making a purchase. It's also a tad on the expensive side. The price of this smart sensor starts from $24. Number 6. Uniden HomePatrol Series Digital Handheld Scanner. This handheld scanner is a simple and practical method to stay informed of local weather and road warnings when you're on the go. Enter your zip code to have the device search for appropriate frequencies nearby. Wherever you wander in the US and Canada, the GPS built into the scanner quickly tunes into the right frequency to keep you informed. The scanner may last for weeks on its 2 sets of batteries, keeping you informed of potential dangers at all times. Due to its specific area message encoding alert, it excels at handling weather alerts, SAME. During NOAA weather or emergency alerts, the system notifies you of severe weather conditions in your immediate vicinity. It's sold at a discount price of $458.87. Number 7. Pratt and Hart Traditional Leather Driving Gloves. Oh, the driving glove, a timeless gear, must be mentioned on any list of driving gadgets. These premium leather gloves, which come in brown and black, are a great addition to any glove box. Their plush, smooth leather keeps your hands warm on extended journeys while enhancing your grip on the steering wheel. No matter your wrist size, the gloves offer a superb fit thanks to their elasticized wrist snuggler. Why not make a stylish car update and wow your passengers? Price starts from $29. Number 8. Lebogner Car Seat Protector Plus Backseat Organizer. This straightforward but efficient car seat organizer / best car seat organizer is another valuable piece of travel equipment for parents and vacationers. It may be easily slung over the front seat of your car to give functional storage on both sides. It's the ideal method to store snacks and other goods close at hand, because it has 9 compartments, including a tablet holder. The organizer is meant to last for many years because it is constructed of sturdy polyester that is simple to clean while gripping your chairs to avoid sliding. This helpful device not only adds extra storage, but also serves as a seat protector, shielding the fabric from scuffs and other everyday wear and tear. The price goes for $25.97. Number 9. Swiss Safe 2-in-1 First Aid Kit. This straightforward but efficient car seat organizer / best car seat organizer is another valuable piece of travel equipment for parents and vacationers. It may be easily slung over the front seat of your car to give practical storage on both sides. It's the ideal method to store snacks and other goods close at hand because it has 9 compartments, including a tablet holder. The organizer is meant to last for many years because it is constructed of sturdy polyester that's simple to clean while gripping your chairs to avoid sliding. This helpful device not only adds extra storage, but also serves as a seat protector, shielding the fabric from scuffs and other everyday wear and tear. If still available on Amazon Prime, expect the Swiss Safe Kit's asking price to be anything from $27. Number 10. Boyo Concealed License Plate Backup Camera. Since the early, bulky, low-resolution models, backup cameras have advanced significantly. The Boyo Concealed License Plate Backup Camera is one of the most sensitive and small cameras available. Only the camera itself is barely visible, thanks to the way this tiny camera is mounted, which is covertly behind our license plate. Once installed, you won't even be able to see it. Thanks to its potent infrared sensors and 720 by 480 resolution CMOS image sensor, it can see obstacles and your surroundings, especially at night. The camera can be moved up or down, and if desired, even displays parking grid lines. The drawback is that the camera doesn't have an included monitor, so you may need to purchase that separately. The cool gadget goes for $58.95. Number 11. Meghty Rock Dash Camera. The Meghty Rock Dash Camera is one of our list's most fabulous auto accessories. This little camera provides a large 170 degrees viewing angle to record as much of your driving environment as possible. A 3-inch LCD of a decent size is included. The camera supports micro SD cards up to 32 gigabytes and records continuously. This dash camera has a built-in G sensor, which enables it to detect abrupt jolts, shakes, or collisions and lock the video footage to avoid inadvertent overwriting. This camera also has a wide dynamic range, WDR, and a big aperture for trustworthy filming at night and in other low-light situations. The pricey gadget goes for $29.99. Number 12. I.P.O.W. Car Safety Hammer Escape Tool. Another must-have safety gadget is I.P.O.W's hammer multi-tool. The hammer end is designed to penetrate car windows, facilitating escape in an emergency. The double-sided head features a sharp stainless steel point to pierce the glass and a blunt end to clear away more significant shards of glass. The bottom of the tool also houses a seatbelt cutter, which allows for a quick escape if the release mechanism is damaged or inaccessible after an accident. This potential life-saving tool also comes with its mount, providing easy access while holding it safely. The gadget goes for just $9.99. Number 13. Starling's Car Trunk Organizer. This folding trunk organizer can be a lifesaver for all you tidy freaks out there. It's ideal for keeping items organized in the trunk, so they don't move around and get damaged. It has 3 internal compartments and 2 exterior pouches. It's also simple to transport into and out of the car, thanks to 2 convenient carrying handles. This helpful tool, made of rugged and water-resistant Oxford polyester, is great for carrying groceries, sporting goods, and other items. Asking price goes for $25.97. If you liked one of the gadgets, check out the descriptions for the links to the products. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to our channel, and press the notification bell so you may not miss any future updates. See you in another video. Until then, take care.